Let's divide any big number by 9 the super easy way.
Let's take the smaller numbers first. 23 divided by 9. Write 23 like this and divided by 9 like this. Now just bring one digit at a time in the answer. Here we'll write answer. Bring this 2. This is first part of the answer. Then this 2 plus this 3 is 5. So remainder 5. The last one is your remainder. And we can say 2 remainder 5, or whatever is remainder, you can write 2 times after the point. It's actually repeating 5. You can write 2.55. 23 divided by 9 is 2.55. That's the answer. Now sometimes we get 2-digit answer when we add. Let's write 66 like this and divide like this. Divide by 9. Now bring down this 6. Here we have first part of the answer 6. But when we add 6 and this 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So remainder 12. But remainder can never be equal to 9 or above 9. So in next step, what we can see is, we can see that in this 12 there is 1 9 also. And this 6 means 6 9s. Plus there is 1 9 in this 12 also. So we'll make this 6 equal to 7. And when 9 is gone from 12, we are left with 3. Or you just add these 2 digits. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 7.33 if you want in decimal, or 7 remainder 3. Now let's try this one. We write 58 like this and divide by 9 like this. Bring this 5 here. Now 5 plus 8 is remainder 13. And we know that, like before, there is 1 9 here in this 13. We'll bring it here in 5 to make it 6 9s. And remainder will be, when 9 is gone from 13, remainder is 4. Or we can just add these 2 digits. 1 plus 3 is also 4. So the answer is 6.44. And it doesn't matter if the number is long number. So we write exactly same way, divide by 9. Now bring this 2 down here. This is first part of the answer. Then this 2 plus this 3 is 5. Now this 5 plus this 1 is 6. And this 6 plus this 2 is 8. So the last one is always remainder. So our answer is 256 remainder 8, or 256.88, whatever you prefer. That's the answer. Now let me tell you both ways, the one that we learned here and the easier way, both ways of dividing 473 by 9. So 473 you'll write like this and divide by 9. Now bring this 4 here to make it 5. Sorry. Bring this 4 here. Then 4 plus 7 is 11. But instead of writing 11 like this, we know that we have only space for one digit. Let me write it like this, 11. But remember, we have this 11 here in this latest answer. So 11 plus this 3 is 14. So remainder 14 we have. Now this will make it 5, 1, remainder 14. And we know that this is 51 9s plus 14. 51 9s are here, and there is 1 9 in this 14 also. So we'll make it 52 9s. And when 9 is gone from 14, we are left with 5, or you can just add these two. 1 plus 4 is 5. So our answer is 52 remainder 5, or 52.55. Now let me do exactly same thing in a lot easier way. Let's delete this part and we'll delete this one also. Now here we have to bring this 4 here down in the answer, but before writing 4, we know that 4 plus 7 will give us 11. That is 2-digit number. So instead of writing 4, I will write 5. And now 5 plus this 7 is 12. In 12, we write 2 here, and 1 is already taken care of when we increased 4 by 1. So this is our answer. Then in the last step, 2 plus 3 is 5. So we write remainder 5. This is the same answer that we got, 52.55. This is much easier way. Let's do one more question just for the sake of a little practice, and then I'll end the video. We have this 5251 divided by 9, and bring this 5 here, and we write 5 here as it is because 5 plus 2 is 7, no problem. So in next step, we add this 5 and this 2 to get 7. But before writing 7 here, I know 7 plus next 5 will give me 2-digit number 12. So instead of writing 7, I will write 8. Right? Now, 8 plus 5 is 13, and I will write only 3 because 1 of 13 has been taken care of already. And then in the last step, this 3 plus this 1 will give me 4 as remainder, and that's our final answer. Now, this is the easiest way that I know of dividing by 9. Any long digit number you can divide by 9 easily in one line.